How to fix League of Legends not installing. First, you have to go to your task manager. For this, you can right click on your taskbar or you can search for task manager. It can be Riot Client which is preventing League of Legends installing process. So, go to your details option. But first, in processes option, find Riot Client and see if it's running. Then click on End Task. Just like same, go to your details section and search for your Riot Client.exe and click on End Task. Also, you have to click on this vanguard.exe, then click on enter too, and from your taskbar you need to exit from here. In this arrow section you will find the vanguard and the Riot Client. You just need to exit from both of them. Then you just need to search for add or remove programs. Here search for League of Legends and click on it and install it, and check if this problem persists. Also, you can make a troubleshoot or you can repair any type of problem that are related to the game. For this, you just need to open your Riot Client, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from here you will find settings option. Go to the League of Legends, and here you'll find a button for repair. Click on it for a repair process. Then it will take sometimes. After completing this repair process you can install League of Legends. Also, a simple restart can solve a big issue on your system. If this is any type of issue that related to your system, then try to restart your system and try again to install League of Legends. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.